Hi there, I'm Raj from Refined, and in this video I'll show you how you can recreate a theme from the server data center version of Refined Sites for Confluence on the cloud version of Refined Sites for Confluence. This applies also for Refined for JSM. If you're migrating from data center/server to cloud, you will need to recreate the theme, and it works the same way as it does on Confluence. So let's get started. I've already migrated with the Confluence Cloud Migration Assistant my spaces and all my Confluence content to my cloud instance. And then I've used the Refined Migration Assistant to migrate my Refined setup. So my sites that I've set up on Server Data Center are now on cloud, as well as the site structure with the different spaces in there and the different landing pages that I had set up on my sites. But as mentioned, themes are not directly migrated, so you need to recreate these on cloud. And to do that, I'm going to open up first the server theme that I'm using here. So I go into Refined Admin. The site that I've been working with is the global site. So it follows the global theme. And I can see it's this AutoDocs theme. So I go into my Themes tab. There's AutoDocs. And I open this up in edit mode. So I can see the different configuration that's been done. And I can then replicate that on cloud. So on cloud then you have two options. The site now has the default theme applied to it. You can either go ahead and edit this current theme and make modifications to it, or you can create a new theme from scratch. I'm going to create a new theme. So I go into Refined Administration, the second tab on the left, Themes, and I'll go ahead and create a theme. And I'll call this AutoDocs Migrated. Create the theme. And now I have a new theme to work with. So if I click here on the server side, main appearance, same on cloud, then I can try replicate these settings on the cloud side. So I can see here for the background, I have an image with a brand on it. So I'm going to change that on cloud as well. I've already got a copy of the image, but if you don't have that, one tip here is you can always click on the server side, open up the image in a new tab, for example, just like that, and then you can download it from your browser and use it on the cloud side. So I'm going to go ahead and upload the image that I previously downloaded. It's in there now. I've got similar positions, 50% on each side, so I don't need to do anything more there. But on the cloud side, I can see that I have a header color as well. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that so it matches what I have on server. And here I simply take the color slider and make it fully transparent. Now that looks a lot more similar. What I'm going to do here as well is change the font color so it matches what I had on server. And there we go. That looks more like what I had on the server side. I can see also here that I had the theme expanding to fill the entire page. So I'm going to go ahead and change that setting as well. Fill it out and save. And that looks more similar to what I had on the server side. So let's take a look then at my site. Open that up here. I'll go ahead now and apply the theme onto my site in cloud. So I can see here it had Radiant, but if I click on this, I have saved the newly created theme. So it's available for use. And now I've added it in. The default behavior here is that the theme set on site will be inherited by all the spaces and all the content on that site. But let's see what this looks like. So we open up this site again, close away the tabs I don't need. And now we've got a lot similar looking themes on server and on cloud. I can see here that the logo is also not migrated, so I'm going to go ahead and add that in. So on the site, I go into configuration, site logo, and then we add the logo in. Refresh my site. Now I've got the logo in as well. Lastly here on Server Data Center, in the theme, I had also set alternate background colors for the content of my landing page, which I don't currently have on cloud. If I go in and edit current theme, then this setting has been deprecated on cloud due to our new page builder. So it's our what you see is what you get landing page edit experience, which is a lot more intuitive on cloud compared to what we had on server, which was the legacy layout editor. And these settings are now available on the page builder. So I'll show you how to get this alternating background here instead. So all I need to do here is click on the different sections that I have. I edit the section, and here I can add the same color. I use the color picker to pick that. There we go. This one looks okay. And I can see here my recently updated also had a color background on it. So I edit the section and do the same here. Now I can see that the module has a white background. We don't want that either. So we click on the module itself. And then here we do the same, change the color and pick that. And then we go ahead and publish. And there we go. Now I've been able to recreate almost exactly what I had on the server side on my cloud site. I hope this is useful. If you have any questions for us, please feel free to reach out at help.refined.com. Thank you.